Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make a basic 2D point scatter graph in Origin software. So let's start. First we copy the data from Excel sheet into Origin. Copy, paste here. Now we have the data in Origin. Select x-axis and y-axis, then click on plot. Here is option of basic 2D. Click on basic 2D and you have scatter. Click on scatter. Here is the scatter graph. If you want to change the symbol, then double click on this symbol, check custom construction, and here you can change the symbol. Suppose we select star symbol and we change the color of symbol from black to red. We also increase the size of the symbol from 9 to 15. Then click OK. Here you can see the color of symbol and shape is changed. If you want to make this graph much professional, then you can double click on the text and select right. Click on line ethics. Click here and select out. Minor text select out. OK. You can see the vertical line of left side is also generated on right side. Similarly, we double click on this text and select top, line and text, check, select out, and click. You can see the bottom line is also generated on the top side. Now we drag the legend. We have to drag it to upside. We have to drag little upside. Now it's fine. So in this way you can make a scatter graph in Origin. It's very simple.